So guys, the tank is full. It's usually when it shows about 20 to 22 tons on the rear axles. And also you can see it on the outside, the capacity of the tank. So it's about 13 cubics you can fit in here, so I could probably squeeze in one more well. But I'm not sure, it might get full, and I have the trailer very conveniently parked right now, so I'm not sure if you know this or not on like how to transfer the material from the truck to the trailer. But yeah, if you think about it, it's fairly easy, so I'm just gonna show you. And these are the controls you use, basically. So we need this one out of the way, so this is the hose we use. Same as for unloading the entire rig, if you have seen my previous video. Just connect it between the truck and the trailer. Can be quite heavy, so there you go. And we also release this one. This is for like, this will indicate when the truck is empty, because the overflowing air will go through there. This is the switch for that hose. And we're gonna leave it open, so when the truck is empty and the trailer has been as filled as it can be right now, the overflowing air will go through here. Yeah, we begin. This one is also quite heavy. So release, starting the pressure. We open the hatch on the truck and we start the vacuum pump. So this takes a couple of minutes. You can see the pressure is already sinking. Yeah, the routine is basically the same as for when you unload the full rig. You just turn on the vacuum pump, let it work out the pressure. And when you unload the entire rig, truck and trailer at the same time, you connect the hose here and open up this one. And you close the air hose so that the pressure is steadily going straight through. I am such a great explainer. Like, I'm doing my best to explain how this stuff works, but you know, language is language. Oh, and I recently discovered that I have an ultra wide angle view with my GoPro, and yeah, it's quite nice. I freaking love this cap, by the way. It's awesome. First person view. So you can see this pressure has sunk a lot. We need it to be like straight just underneath the red zone. So it go. So this button is for activation, and this is, so you use 2 thumbs to activate and 1 thumb to close it, and that's a really good thing, so you don't accidentally press a button and you start something you don't want to start. You can actually hear the liquid. Yum! And same as with unloading the entire rig, when it reaches to number 2, we're gonna be tilting up the truck a little bit. So vacuum pump. Make sure no hose is in the way in the back. Like that? Yeah? Steady flow. Good job. Now it's a really short amount of time left. So in case you haven't figured out what's in the truck already, I'll give you a clue. Yeah. That's my clue for you. So yeah, basically sewer water. And right now it's getting empty. Yep, there we go. It's done. Then we're gonna lower the truck, release the pressure, and close the opening hatch. And if we have done everything right, this hose is supposed to be empty. But just in case, you always want to be careful opening this one. Might be some air pressure. Yeah, score! Just park the hose there. We're gonna leave it like this until the next round. And that's about it. So you can see the pressure has increased in the trailer. We will fit about 1 more fully loaded truck in here. So alright, we're ready for a few more tanks. And of course, don't forget to disconnect the air hose. We don't want that kind of problems in our lives. So, kill switch, power outlet, and the EXT, whatever that means. So yeah, I'm ready to do some more working. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Work is going like really well right now, and I freaking love this drive. It's awesome. Alright, I'm ready for the next job. So again, thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed. I mostly upload truck videos, but also like baking stuff. And because I love my animals, some animal videos, and yeah, I'm hoping to get started on streaming again on Twitch, because it has been about 3 weeks now. I have been so exhausted after work. So yeah, I'm hoping to get back on that if I get some energy back. So alright, it's nice. Take care guys, bye!